They say perfection is a moving target. In motocross, it's a battlefield, where yesterday's king becomes today's cautionary tale. But in 2025, Honda isn't aiming to keep up. They're setting the pace. Introducing the 2025 Honda CRF450R, a machine that doesn't just evolve, it strikes back. And yes, there's a new twist at the end of this video that changes everything you thought you knew about red bikes. Stick around, because this is more than a review. This is a revelation. Let's start with the core, the motor. The CRF450R has always had a reputation. Fast, furious, sometimes feral. The 2025 model? Still brutally fast, but now it's tactically intelligent. Honda has revised the Unicam 449 cubic centimeter engine with a brand new cylinder head, optimized port shapes, and reshaped combustion chambers for better flow and more linear power. The power band is flatter, but don't mistake that for soft. It still hits like a sledgehammer, just with surgical precision now. Where older models were aggressive to the point of fatigue, the 2025 version lets you ride hard, longer. Fuel injection mapping is all new, throttle response is crisp, and the ECU is smarter, adapting to inputs in real time. And that mid-range, it rips, pulls harder, holds longer, and delivers that Honda hallmark. A feeling of effortless speed. But the real story this year? The chassis. The 2025 CRF450R features a redesigned aluminum frame, stiffer around the headstock, more compliant through the spars. The result? Stability in deep ruts, confidence at warp speed, and cornering that feels telepathic. Even the subframe was reworked to reduce flex and sharpen the rear-end feel. You don't just lean in, you snap in and hold your line like it's etched into the dirt. The suspension package has also received major love. Showa 49mm coil spring forks with updated valving for better initial compliance and mid-stroke control. Out back, the Showa shock gets a revised linkage ratio and better high-speed damping, giving the bike more traction, especially under brutal acceleration. Ergonomically, Honda listened. The 2025 CRF450R features narrower radiator shrouds, a flatter seat profile, and new grips to improve rider triangle and mobility. The cockpit feels slimmer, control levers feel more tactile, and the plastics, lighter, stronger, and more durable, because roost happens. And here's a detail you might miss if you don't look closely. Honda has revised the airbox intake path, making it easier to service and smoother in airflow. It's not just performance, it's practicality. When you ride it, you feel one thing above all: balance. Throttle to wheel, input to output, aggression to control. It doesn't fight you, it flows with you. It lets you ride on the edge, without falling off it. And that makes it dangerous, not just to ride, but to the competition. Now let's talk numbers. Peak horsepower, up slightly from last year, pushing 58 horses at the wheel. Weight, 239 pounds wet, still one of the lightest in class. Electronics, all retained. Selectable maps, traction control, launch control, all accessible via the handlebar-mounted switch. But here's the kicker. For 2025, Honda is releasing an optional GPS-based telemetry module, a plug-and-play unit that lets you record laps, throttle position, lean angle, brake pressure, and more. It syncs with your phone and gives you the same data factory riders use on race day. That is the surprise. Not just more power, not just better handling, but a smart bike for smart riders. No screens, no distractions, just data, if you want it. So who's the 2025 CRF450R really for? It's for racers, real ones. The kind who tweak sag between motos, the ones who chase tenths. It's also for the weekend ripper who wants trust in their bike, who wants a machine that doesn't just go fast but helps you ride fast. It's not for flash, it's for fire, for commitment. For those who don't just twist the throttle, they earn it. In a world full of noise, the 2025 CRF450R speaks with clarity. It doesn't need gimmicks. It doesn't beg for attention. It just delivers, lap after lap, hit after hit. This is Honda at its sharpest. And if you ride red, you already know. If you don't, well, it's time to reconsider. Thanks for riding with us through the full breakdown of the 2025 Honda CRF450R. If you love motorcycles that push limits and reviews that go deeper than spec sheets, you're home. This is Acer Rider, where precision meets passion. Until next time, ride hard, stay sharp, and keep it pinned.